Hey, so guys, we're going to gather together. Before we dig into what we're doing today, we need to chat. And frankly, my view on this is changing. I think that you guys would agree, because you all are obviously high-functioning students, that one of the things that allows you to function well is when you have teachers that are organized, teachers that have a plan. It's clear, right? You know which one of your teachers have a sense of what's going on and those that are just chasing butterflies, right? Well, guys, here's the problem. This year, to some degree, we're all chasing butterflies. This is a year that we just have to really wrap our arms around the idea that just as soon as we think we understand what's going on, things are going to change a little bit. So you're going to see me sort of pivoting midstream. I know that you all are going to be pivoting midstream. And frankly, guys, you're going to have to trust me. I'm going to have to rely on you doing your best in the moment. But guys, in the midst of all of this, you've got to understand, I'm not out to get you. But we need to be working together to make sure that we understand what's going on. So, with that said, I had several people come into me this morning and they said, hey, Mr. Namberg, I tried to turn in my homework today and I couldn't. Part of that is a misunderstanding. That fault is yours. Part of it is a pivot, and that part is mine. So guys, what I would like to do is take a moment and explain to you how this works by looking at the calendar. But unfortunately, this requires that we go back to Monday, which is in August, so we'll switch in a minute. So guys, this is where we are. Monday in class, you had a homework assignment. Now, what should be happening right now is we should have the answers up on the wall. This mask is killing me. We should have the answers up on the wall, and we should actually be looking at answering your questions on the homework. And then, guys, only at that point do I then open up the Google form and you then go record that you did do the assignment. But guys, understand the Google form doesn't open up until after we talk in class about your questions. So again, guys, if that was kind of distant, here's the idea. Let me get this out of the way. So homework happened on Monday. We talk about it on Wednesday. And then Wednesday, for the remainder of the day, the Google form is open. And you just log in at some point and record that you did it. Does that make sense? Did that, Colin, get to your question? Now we have a problem. And guys, this is the pivot. And this is perhaps my bad. It's not my bad. We're learning. So guys, we're doing a lab today. And what we're learning is that there's no way we can grade homework and do a lab at the same day. So guys, what we had to do is we had to postpone addressing this homework until Friday. So guys, the Google form is still not open because we had to push it back. We just learned there's no way to do lab and homework same day. So guys, you're then going, wait, how am I supposed to know this? And guys, the answer is actually right here. I need you to put your cell phones away and pay attention to what we're talking about. Guys, understand that screams volumes to me if I'm bending over backwards to try to help you and you're like, hey, yo, texting with your friends. Totally not cool. Just a moment. So, guys, down here you'll notice that this says due on 9/4. And I know you would have never thought to look for that, but that's the answer, is that we delayed the due date because we're not going to be able to do homework with the lab. We're learning as we go. And guys, together we're going to get this figured out. Go ahead.
Okay, so I have a question and my cousin, so I can route that to you there.
Yeah. Okay.
But like I can't get back to you if it says it can't get into it. Like, can I have a quick
Yeah, let's you and I sit down and look. It's a very specific question, and we'll figure it out together. So guys, does this now make sense relative to homework? Please, if you're stuck, don't hesitate to ask. I know there's a lot of moving parts, but this is where we're at right now. Y'all okay? Okay. So guys, with that said, we will grade homework on Friday. What we're doing right now is going to lab. So you need to grab your notebooks. And guys, forgive my mask for doing this. You need to grab your notebooks, your ring binders, and please, may I steal that? Grab this. Guys, grab your class notes from last time. Don't forget to ask me about that. Okay. Guys, again, grab your class notes from last